Today we'll be talking about something very important for all expatriate workers in Saudi Arabia. It's called the wage insurance system, and it's designed to protect workers if their employer can't pay them. This insurance program was launched by the Saudi Ministry of Human Resources and Social Development. Basically, it ensures that if your employer faces financial trouble, your wages won't be left unpaid. So who's covered under this scheme? All expatriate workers in the private sector are eligible as long as their company has a commercial registration. However, there are some exceptions. For example, domestic workers, seasonal workers, and workers employed by fully government-owned companies are not covered. Now let's talk about what the insurance actually covers. It protects you for up to 6 months of unpaid wages. That's right, 6 months of your salary is covered if your employer fails to pay. Plus, if you want to go back to your home country, it also provides a travel ticket with a limit of 1,000 Saudi riyals. The maximum amount covered by this insurance is 17,500 Saudi riyals for each worker. One of the best things about this is that the worker doesn't have to pay for the insurance. The Saudi government funds it through the ministry. So you don't have to worry about any extra costs for this protection. Now let's quickly cover which wages are included. The insurance covers your monthly wages, allowances, and anything else mentioned in your employment contract. End of service benefits, though, are not covered. So how do you know if you're eligible to claim? First, your employer must have delayed your wages for over 6 months, and this delay should affect at least 80% of the workforce in your company. Also, the delay must happen within the insurance coverage period, which is 12 months from the start of the policy. If you're planning to leave Saudi Arabia and claim the travel ticket, you need to have a final exit visa and meet all the legal requirements. Now, if you're eligible, how do you claim compensation? The process is simple. First, make sure you're covered by the insurance and not in an excluded category. Then, you need to submit proof that your employer hasn't paid your wages. After that, fill out the claim form and submit it to the insurance company. The link to download this form is included in the description. Once the claim is submitted, your employer will be notified. They have 10 days to respond or object. If they don't object within those 10 days, you will receive your compensation. It's a very straightforward process designed to protect workers like you and me. And after paying you, the insurance company can go after the employer to recover the costs. The wage insurance system is a great initiative to ensure expatriate workers in Saudi Arabia are protected in case their employer runs into financial trouble. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe.